This is my winter gardening #1. These are a couple of tomato plants that I planted about 3 weeks ago, and they're doing pretty well. I'm fairly pleased. The one of them is even starting to bloom. And you can see in the center of the screen there's a couple of yellow blooms, so I'm optimistic that I may get some tomatoes fairly early in the season. Here we have a couple of basil plants that I took in from the fall before the frost could get to them, and they're doing pretty well. The one is even adding some blooms and some fresh leaves, so I'm able to pick a few leaves off every now and then and have some fresh basil to add to my cooking. And this is a set of green onions that I planted, and you probably can't see it really good, but those small white strips there are actually green onions. They're only about a 1/4 inch long, so I'm optimistic that I will have some green onions hopefully in the near future. And over here I've got some potatoes that I'm trying to sprout. I've got a container, so if I'm successful in sprouting these, I'm going to try growing some potatoes in a container this summer. And finally, over here, I saw these seed starter little plastic boxes on the internet and thought they looked pretty cool. So I tried to order 2 of them, and when they came I found out that I had actually ordered 2 sets of 6, so I got 12 of these. So I'll have plenty of containers to start some seeds. So I've got some set up there. I'm going to be maybe starting some more green onions or some basil or some other herbs fairly early. In addition to that, I have some parsley in a cold frame outside that's doing quite well, and some other parsley that's kind of surviving, so I've additionally got some parsley that I'll be able to use in my cooking as well.